Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Credit Karma. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in creditkarma.com and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official Credit Karma website. Now, if you don't directly end up within the login screen, you can find the login button at the top right corner. So just click on login and you will end up within the login portal. Once you're inside the login portal, you will be asked to enter your credentials. So just type in the email address that you used to sign up for your Credit Karma account, and within the password box, type in your account password. After typing both of these information, click on the login button, and now you will be logged in to your Credit Karma account right away. And once you are logged in, you will be able to use your credit services that are offered by Credit Karma in any number of ways. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Credit Karma. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.